The theme of the poem is about mocking the Indian way of speaking English and about showcasing the Indian mentality. Now let us look at the poetic devices used. The first poetic device used is anaphora, like one is. Here one is manager, one is bank manager. Here anaphora is used as one is has been repeated twice in the two lines at the very beginning of both the lines. Next is alliteration. Alliteration is when the first word of first consonant of two words is same. Like here in the line, whole world is changing, in India also. Whole world, the sound of W is common, and in India the sound of I is common, so alliteration is present here. Next we have simile. So thin like a stick. So whenever there is a word such as or like, you would say that there is a simile. Here you are so thin like stick. So he is comparing the student to a stick. Next we have repetition. No diabetes, no blood pressure, no heart attack. Here the word no has been repeated continuously in one single line, and that is what we call repetition as a poetic device. Next we have antithesis here. When in the line he says, old values are going, new values are coming. So this gives us a sense of now and then, before and after. Such a sense in poetic device is termed as antithesis.